Hey, you are not going anywhere till you give me 500 naira you took from my purse in Apuala.
Please, calm down. This thing is...
How dare you lay your filthy poverty chicken hands on me? Are you mad?
It's better for me to live just few years and be rich than to spend 100 years in abject poverty.
I don't understand. What kind of hustling have you been hustling that we are still suffering in poverty till now?
We must make money. Whatever it is that they do or however it is that people make money, we must get into it and then get money. How about all this one?
You have a brave heart, the heart of a lion.
See, if you have bad luck, I don't care. Because I've fasted, I've prayed, I've gone to the mountain. Yet, I did not come to this house to die, and I will not die.
What will make a man and a woman who were so much in love before they got married be fighting like this, if not for poverty?
Oluchi, I don't know what you're doing to yourself. You smell of poverty, and it's not good. When you're together, make a hand, useless man. You can't even make friends with whom working e-money them at
I reject poverty with everything in me. Brother, I must make money. The oracle demands that you sleep with your
I think we should forget all these things and keep working hard. Maybe one day, just one day, God will remember us.
No one hold the plow and look back. It is late for you to go back now. Go and prepare your sacrifice.
Please, I don't want to kill my wife. I love my wife. Please, leave Oluchi out of this, please.
That house will not contain both of us if he doesn't go out to make money like his mates. Because I need to drive my own Range Rover. I need to have my own Lexus and everything. I cannot continue like this. I cannot. I know who I used to be. Oluchi na ako or just to T1 like this.